welcome back. Finally today guys, I hope to complete the y-axis of the lathe of the DRO, and I will show you how. I will place here this L bracket that are already cut on size, and this will hold the linear scale here. To work on the profile for the lathe, I put back the device on the milling machine. I bought this kind of T-grooves profile that is made in this way, you know. Those things cost a fortune practically. As you can see, there are these two lips here, one here, one there, and these will go below the table. Are very nice. Now I'm cutting on size, practically the last profile. And voila. And this here, cut on size, around the corners. And now the last one. And okay. And this is the last one. Practically now I can trim the device. Nice. Of course here you have to keep everything, you know, because those things cost a fortune, and sometimes for some other setup you can use even those small parts. Look if it's not nice. Are very comfortable because, you know, it's easy to clean up after. Now we'll trim the device. Let's clean up here. The beautiful things about the new spindle here is that there is a knob on the top. Okay. Now let's put the indicator. Perfect. Ten micron in truth. No, but I don't want to. Zero. Zero. We are on the money, eh? No. Sì. It is a horrible shade. It's working. We are on the money. Let's hope that will not move. Okay. And now I'm perfect. Let's go. I want to clean up here the two faces, here and there. I don't have any specific dimension, you know, here. Okay. It's very rare that I work aluminum, you know. Usually I do cast iron or steel. Let's clean up also this one. Fine. And also this one. Perfect. Nice. Okay, now a trace here for the nozzle. Okay. Okay. Fine, but nice. Very nice and precise. Beautiful. Now here I want to make this one. It's not a specific angle, you know. Let's go to the milling machine. At least this one, and this 10 degree. Okay. Fine. and it's fine. And here again, now I cut this piece of aluminium in order to make like a shim here that will go over there, because in this way we will not touch here this plate. It's a simple work that we have to do here. Now, first of all, I need to take this whole position. Let's see. I try here to put a shim, but doesn't work, you know. We need with the screw of the Gibbs. In this way, no. But I see that I have to remove here just a little bit, and will work. Also before, you know, was scratching the backboard. The problem is that I cannot make shorter, you know, because I need, this is the minimum possible acceptable. Now I solve here the problem. I make round and I make like a chamfer here, and it's not touching anymore. I also place behind this L bracket a shim here, because this L bracket is a little bit bending, but now it's fine. It's more than, it's very strong. Here we have the place for the oiler. And now I don't have any more problem with the Gibbs screw. And this is done. Now next things is to make here the hole, to place this one here, considering also the cover. Before to work here on the movable bracket, we need to fix this one. And I know already that will not be so simple for the cable situation. We need to reverse this one, and there is a way to do it. So first of all, let's make here the hole in order to find there the best positioning. And I take here the dimension. As for the drawing, is 17.5 from here to there, and 10 millimeter from the end of the scale, from here to the center, from here to the center, and here, and we are on the money. So first of all I will do this hole, and after I will make this other one. Here we have all the dimensions. I fix here with the 2 screw M6, and now we have to remove those blocks here, those blocks 1 and 2. Okay. Okay. We have to keep this one. And now let's try these things. Anyway, I need to reverse the cable to this side. In the manual we can see how to reverse the cable. First of all, I need to disassemble this one. I don't want to lose the screw here. And here. Let me do in this way. It's more safe, you know. Okay. Oh. Ah. Watch, Andrea. Okay. This fine like this. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Okay. And this here. And we reverse here the. Now let's come back to the lathe. And after, of course, we have to okay. I will not use this one, you know, for sure. And now it's time to think about here. I will do a similar bracket. Okay, now I trace here the shield. Let's go to cut. It's always a little tricky to cut these things. Okay, I think it's fine. And this here. Nice. Now we need to make 3 holes. One here, one there, and one here. I place here the hole. And I will do in this way. It's nice and precise. Here I want to round 2 later on. Now I want just to take the marks. Stop. 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 Okay. And I will do 1, 2, and 3 with the M3. M3 we will do with a 2.5. Okay. And I will do with the M3 by hands. Now with this one. Okay. Nice. More than enough. Now around here the corners. Start to look nice. Okay, now let's put back here this one. Now practically we have to place here something in order to hold the bracket for the reading head. This one is stainless steel, non-magnetic. Aluminium, just the screw are magnetic. What's up? Oh. I have a little problem over there. Let me see how much I have to move. I have to remove a corner here. Now it's fine. But when I will disassemble, I will remove the corner. This is the minimum. Doesn't move too much, huh? Oh, it's fine. I cut this stainless steel rod. We should have enough space here. Start at 13. Okay, let's go to the milling machine. Let's clean up this face here. With this one, guys, I completely changed direction. I try to clean up this stainless steel, but I have a lot of chattering. I need 2 wires, but I don't have, you know. And anyway, I think that I find a better solution with this aluminum plate. Like this, with the same plate, I will have also the cover slide wide here. Now this is the minimum and the maximum dimension of my plate, and I will overhanging the cross slide for almost 5 centimeters. I think is fine, because with 2 screws I will have enough strength to hold all these things. And here I will like maybe to do this kind of shape, like that. I'm not sure. Let's say like this. Or something like that. Here we are at the maximum way out of our cross slide, and the reader is here. Now, as I say, 5 centimeters, and is fine. Now I will move forward the cross slide carriage. Here I don't know if you can see. This means that I can move all these here, and now I can take our 50 millimeter to here. No. Yep. Yes. Here is where we have to cut our plate. Let me see again one thing. Okay. If I move this one here to do some other things, I have enough space. So let's go to cut this plate, and let's see how. Will not be so easy. I don't know if my bandsaw can have this width. To cut this one, I decide to place in an angle plate. I will put the angle plate here. Let's go in this way. Now, it's not a big deal. Like this, let's put this one here, and let's do in this way. 1 and 2 full length, and I will cut with a slitting saw. like that and like that. Nice. Okay. Stop. And stop. And it's fixed. And now let's go. Okay, but it's quite too fast. Let's try. $500. Okay. Okay. Stop. Now here, with this one, I want to make a nice chamfer. My problem is that I need to move here these things, because otherwise I cannot do it, because I will finish here my travel, and I will do a nice chamfer. Look how much beautiful is this tool. This brand new practically is the same. Okay, so let's go. Okay, now I higher the speed for the finishing reverse. Okay, now let's remove the clamp. Here, very nice work, you know. And now, considering that this one is our edge, other 6 here. And we have to cut here. I decide to do in this way. This is the cut that we have to do. And will be this here 6 centimeter. I decide to start here the cut because I want to cover this one, you know. Flush here, and this will be our plate for the reader. The reader will be placed here, practically. So, for this video, guys, we are done because otherwise it will be too long. Next time we will complete placing here the reader. I hope that you like the video. Please put a like and subscribe. See you the next one.